Okay, so I am back. It is the 3rd of Friday, the 3rd of August. So right now it is 7. I need to 9. And the last video I showed you 100 buttons. This one. But now I'm going to be showing you 100 sounds buttons too. So if we go into that, there is a lot more. There's this. Okay, I can't click on that right now because the call screen is on. There's this. I like this one.
I'm really rich.
And then, no, I remember this from Roblox, like at Peter's Place. The good thing about handstand buttons 1 and 2 is that you can just bang the buttons. There's a lot to this. There's a camera. And Pringles. I really like Pringles. I actually really like Pringles. Love it. What's that? It sounds more like an oven than a cat. I really like cats as well. And it's my favourite one. I like the air horns. What the flip?
Bing, bing, bong, bong.
Okay, that was Donald Trump. This less to the second one. I have to be completely honest. On the second one, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5. The first one has a bit more, but this one's actually really cool as well. He's doing a pen. I don't like the noise. And this is sausages. So we don't like. There's a knife. Can I tell that it's in the top right corner. There's this weird thing that looks like a giant lollipop on a ring, with a ring on a stick. And what kind of advert is this? So, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. And check out all my vids. Have a good day. Or night.